Hi friends, today I'm going to review Asha 501. You can see this phone is quite cheap. It is about just 4000 rupees presently. Now you can see that it has a great look with a nice look at back with Nokia written on it, and it has a style of Lumia. You can see it has 3.15 megapixel camera with 115 frames per second. Now let me start with the back. You can see this is the back support key. The support key means that you have to just put a thumb in this, and with the support of this thumb you have to pull back the back cover like this. Now I want to remove the back cover. You can see it is not a key, as I am showing you. It is not a key, it is not pressing. It is just to remove the back cover. Around this key you can see this is the speaker. You can see this is the speaker. Now let's start with the battery. You can see this battery is total black at the front. At the back it has written specifications like 1200 mAh with 3.7 volts and 4.4 watt. Now you can see it uses a micro SIM. You can see it is a micro SIM slot. You can see the SIM, very small, but I don't think it's a good feature, because you buy a phone within 4000, you usually change this phone within a year. And this is the second SIM slot at the side. You can see this is also a micro SIM. Now let me place the battery. Now you can see this is its camera. It is a 3.15 megapixel, and here is the lens at the back cover. Now this is its micro SD slot. You can see I'm going to press the micro SD and it is going to come out. The 4 GB micro SD card comes with this phone. When you buy this phone, they give you 4 GB micro SD card. It has expandable memory up to 32 GB. Now let me place the back cover. Now I'm going to switch on the phone from this home key. You can see this is the lock key, and this is the volume up and down. Now I'm going to switch on the phone. Now you can see it is getting started. It has operating system SIM Asha with platform 1.0. This is a new operating system for specially Asha mobiles like this. This is its earpiece, and it's 3.5 mm jack at the top with USB slot, and this is the old Nokia charging slot with a small pin. You can see you can also charge from the USB slot here. Now you can see this is its home screen. Now let me lock the phone for you. When I lock the phone, it shows time only. This is its great feature, that at the night you are sleeping and you want to see the time, you can just see from here directly. Now when I press this is the home key. You can see. Now I'm going to switch on the phone. You can see when I switch on, this is the menu. When I slide sideward, these are the call logs. Now this is the home key. You can see this is for swiping backward to go back, or swipe sideward. You can see it has two windows for call logs and for menu. Here is the menu. You can see it has various apps from all the similar phones like camera, gallery. Now let me show you its gallery. You can see it opens like this, like a small window. Now you can see this notification bar. Here you have the Bluetooth, data connectivity, profile management, and Wi-Fi. You can just press the Wi-Fi icon and it will open the Wi-Fi. It shows you how many Wi-Fi networks are near you. You can switch off the Wi-Fi from here. At the top it shows you the condition, the signal strength of your two SIMs. Now I go to sideward. You can see. Now let me show you its gallery. You can see the gallery comes like this. You can see it's very stylish. Now let me show you the music. You can see from here you can select music, artist, playlist. You can also create your playlist. This is a nice feature. Now you can see these are the volume rocker keys. Volume, you can see at the top it shows you the volume, but this is not a good way. In Asha 305 there was a stylish way to show you the volume. The speaker comes and the volume at the side increases. That was nice. You can see it doesn't have too much features. It has 2.8 inch display, TFT capacitive display. with 256K color depth. The only great thing is its camera. You can see the camera is of 3.15 megapixel. It is very good other than Galaxy Y, which has 2 megapixel camera. It is a good phone at 4,000 rupees. I think this is a great choice. Thank you.